Before you sleep tonight, give God the thoughts that have been fighting you all day. Lord, as I lay down tonight, I surrender my mind to you. Every worry, every fear, every unanswered question, I place it in your hands. Your word says you give peace that guards the heart and mind. So tonight, I refuse to sleep with anxiety leading me. I refuse to carry what you have already asked me to release. Cover my mind with your peace. Cover my home with your presence. Cover my sleep with your protection. Tonight, I declare my mind is not a battlefield for fear. My heart belongs to God. My sleep will be peaceful. My strength will be restored. In Jesus' name, amen.